Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel RV Info Solutions. My name is Rahul and today I'll be sharing my expertise on Excel. So today I'll be discussing about the basic functionality of Excel, only basic architecture of Excel sheet. So let's start the session. I have already opened the Excel file. So when you open a new blank sheet in blank workbook in Excel, it will give you three sheets, default sheets over here. You can add the sheets using this button. As soon as you click on this button, new sheets will appear here. Okay, and you can right click on the sheet and delete the sheet if you want. So we can have n number of sheets based on our requirement. One Excel file is having multiple Excel sheets, and each Excel sheet is having combination of columns and rows. These are the columns A, B, C, D, and so on. And from 1 to like n, it is 1 to nth number, it is rows. And here are the few basic formatting functions over here in menu bar. We can talk about this later. So this is the overall architecture of Excel file. So now today we will be creating one table, that is a student mark sheet table. So let's start adding the data into Excel sheet. So just go to one cell. The dark outer line is a one cell. So as soon as you click on any cell and start typing, it will start adding the data into that particular cell. So today we'll be adding the data for a student. So it is a student mark sheet information, serial number, roll number, student name, marks required, marks obtained, and grade. So hovering your cursor to next cell, I was just hitting my tab button in my keyboard. So as soon as I hit my tab button keyboard, the cursor moves on. So we'll be adding serial number, which is like 1, 2, 3. So manually we can add nth numbers, but Excel provides helps us to add the numbers automatically. So just select the numbers and go to this plus sign. Here is the small plus sign. Click on it and drag it to the numbers whatever you want. So it will automatically create the serial number. Here it is created 1 to 15 number. Roll number is like 1000. We can say 0, 1. So for this also I will be creating using this series number. So it is 11011002 to 1115. Student name is Rahul ABCXYZ, and we can add so many names. And we can add the obtain marks. So let's say marks obtained required are 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, and marks obtained is like 75 out of 100, 85, 80, 90, 95. And we will add one more column here by just right. I have added the column. To add the column, I just selected this column and right click on the selected column, and I just click on the insert. So it will automatically insert one column over here. I'll name it as out of constraint. So out of is like the marks obtained out of how much. so it will be 100 only. So I'm just removing these remaining fields. So I just selected the rows and clicked on minus button, so it is has been deleted. I will tell you all the shortcuts in detail. Grade, you we can define the grade based on the percentage. So it is above 80 is A plus 80 and 85 is A, and this is B. So to format this, we have just added the data, and to format this we just need to select the whole data with Control A and go to this square button. Clicking on square button, it shows the all border. So click on all borders, you will see it is having all the borders. But when you see this mark sheet information, it is on the leftmost corner of the sheet, and we want this to be present on the top of each top of all the headings. So I'll just select all the cells till which I want this heading to be present, and I'll click on merge and center button. So as soon as I click on this button, it will merge all the cells and drag this student mark sheet text to the center. Okay, I will increase the font size from this button. I'll keep it bold. I'll select the second row also and make it bold, and this whole data is centered. So just now you have created one student mark sheet, and I'll be sharing few more videos on features. Thank you so much for watching this.